Hi, welcome to the lecture. In our previous lecture, you saw how to create a class and also build objects for it to access its methods and also variables. In this lecture, I'm going to try and explain you more about these classes. So I'm going to give you a situation where you have two or more classes and you want to extend that class into another class so that you can use all the methods and variables you have in class 1 and class 2 in class 3. Can you do it? Well, of course you can do it in Python. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can do it, and yeah, let's get started with that. So open up your IDE, and then to create a class, you're going to use the class keyword, and let me call it as class 1, and I just create a variable 1 equals to, let's say, um, class 1, and then I'm going to create another class, class 2, and again create another variable. Make sure you have two different variables because you're extending it. um, so I'm going to say um, class 2, and then finally I'll just create another class, class 3, and now you want to use the variables which you have in class 1 and class 2 and class 3. So you're just going to simply write the class names. So class 1 and you want class 2. So simply add that as a parameters inside those two parentheses, and then I'm going to simply create another variable, or you can just type pass. Pass simply means that don't do anything because you don't want to do anything. But well, I'll just create another variable just to make sure that the class 3 variable can be accessed. Class 3, yeah, and now create an object. Let's say example equals to class 3 and two parentheses there. So now if you want to access the variable 1 which was in class 1, just have to write the variable name, and that's it. So you can see it can access the variable which was in class 1, and the same way it can do the same thing for variable 2 in the class 2, and then finally the class 3. So there you go. So this is how you extend the class into another class to access all the methods and the variables. You can again access the methods as well if it's in class 1 or class 2. It's not just variables. So this is how you extend it, and that's pretty much it for this lecture. I know it's a really short lecture, but I just want to quickly explain you guys about this concept. In our next tutorial or next lecture, let's talk about a file system using Python. So we'll see how to read and write into files and everything. So until then, see you. Bye.